Hello listener, today we are going to discuss about our last topics in linear equation in two variables, that is 4.4 equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. In our previous classes we have discussed about different method for finding solution of linear equations in two variables. We use graphical methods. Okay, we use algebraic method, we use substitution method, we used eliminations method. Today we are going to discuss reducible method to a pair of linear equations in two variables. In that topic we are discussing the solution of pair of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making suitable substitutions methods. Let's take one example. Okay, we are taking one example to discuss. 2 by x plus 3y is equal to 13. We already know that what is the pair of linear? It must be in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It must be in this form. Just see the example. 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13. It is not in linear equation form. So we have to reduce to a pair of linear equations in linear equations by making suitable substitution method. Just observe it. You are having 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Pair of linear equations means you are having two equations. Two equations means a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Means it must satisfy these conditions to form a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let's solve it. Solution. What you are saying? Just observe it. 2 into 1 by x you can write it plus 3 into 1 by y is equal to 13. This is your first equation. It is not in linear equation form. Let's convert your second equation. 5 into 1 by x minus 4 into 1 by y is equal to minus 2. This is your second equations. Okay. Let consider 1 by x as p and 1 by y is equal to q. Okay. Substitute in your equation. Suppose this is your equation. 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 and 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. Observe that you are converted not linear form into linear equation form. In this it satisfies these conditions. Okay, we have converted not linear equation form into pair of linear equation in two variable. Now you will use any of the method. You can use substitution. There are three methods for solving, for getting a solution of a pair of linear equation in two variables. Either you can use substitution methods, elimination and cross multiplication method, but we are using here elimination method because elimination, I feel that elimination method is a easiest ways for finding solution of a pair of linear equations in two variable. Here I am using elimination method. Elimination method. If you miss my topic related to elimination method, I have given the link related to this topic. You just go through the topic and you will get a clear idea how to solve a pair of linear equation in two variable by using elimination method. What is the use of elimination method? Means any of the variable must be same, then only you can eliminate that one variable. So you have to multiply both side by 2, then only you will get as same value. Suppose how you have to multiply the equation 2 by 2 and equation 1 by 5. Okay, multiply. Suppose this is your equation 1, this is your equation 2. Multiply your equation 1 by 5, okay, and your equation 2 by 2. Okay, 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 into 5, and 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2. Multiply by 2. What value you will get? 10p plus 15q is equal to 5 3s are 15, 65. So 2 5s are 10p minus 8q is equal to minus 4. You are using elimination method. So when the signs are same, you will use elimination method. Okay. Plus 10p minus 10p cancel, minus into minus, plus 15 plus 8 you will get as 23q, 65 by plus 4 you will get 69. Okay, what 23q is equal to 69, q equal to 69 by 23, 3 is a 69. So what value of q you will get at? Q is equal to 3. After getting the value of q, substitute your value q in equation 1. You can substitute q equal to 3 in equation 1 or equation 2. I am substituting. What is my equation? 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Just move back to the video so that you can see the equation. Because the board is smaller, so I was unable to copy down the whole program on a single board. So what is your 2p plus 3 into 3 equal to 13, 2p plus 9 equal to 13, 2p equal to 13 minus 9, 2p equal to 4, p equal to 4 by 2. What value you are getting? 2. Okay, but our 1 by x is equal to p. What is the p value? 2. And what the value of 1 by x is equal to q? What is your value? 3. So what value you will get? X equal to 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 3. If you had any doubt regarding anything, just drop your doubts in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel for latest and updated videos.